Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, right click on the start icon, select run. Once we are here, we need to type in sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to click on advanced options, and from startup and recovery section we need to click on settings. Once we are here, we need to select the complete memory dump. Select this one. Now click on OK, and as per for the properties, the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So we need to restart our system. If this not work, you need to just right click here, select run, type here percent local app data percent, open it, and we need to simply find out the Roblox folder. Here it is. Just select it and delete it, and we need to uninstall the Roblox application and reinstall the application. That's it guys. Simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.